Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be talking about email marketing, and just very simple. I'll be taking us through how to set up your email marketing account. Even if you're a small business owner, or maybe you're someone that wants to start out as an email marketing expert, I'll just be running you through the simple steps on setting your own email marketing account. And the email marketing tool I'll be using will be MailChimp. All right, so let's go into the video. So for the course of this video, just as I said earlier, I'll be making use of MailChimp. This is not a sponsored video. I'm using MailChimp because that is what I use, and I'll recommend anyone out there to use it because I found it useful to the level of to the level of result I've gotten from it. So whether you want to start out as an email marketing manager or you're a business owner, you can use it for your business. So how do you access it? Very simple. You go to your Google search and type in MailChimp. All right, then of course, when it comes up, you click on the first results. And something I want to make you understand is that MailChimp is free. However, you can see other three paid plans that be suitable for your business if you want to access the paid plans. Now, why is the paid plans very important? Let me just run you through this. Now, for the free plans, you don't have to pay any money, of course, that's why it's free. And you have to send only 500 emails per month and 250 per day. I see it now. I want to send 250 per day twice. You exceeded your limit for that month. Do you get what I'm trying to say now? So that's another thing too now. All right. So and then there are other things that you don't have access to. Okay, but this one is very important. So just imagine you have 1,000 emails. In fact, I think you cannot put more than 1,000 email list here, or sorry, more than 500 email list here because of it's free. But once you have all other plans, you can send as many as possible. See, you can send 10 times your contacts. Emotion is 15 times, and you have unlimited access to some things. But regardless, if you're starting small, and of course you want to make use of a free plan, it's here for you to access. So once you want to start, you click, there'll be a sign up button here and a login button here. But because I'm already logged into it, as I have an account with MailChimp, my account is here already. So I'd love to switch to the next tab where I have it opened already. So these are the emails I've sent in the past. All right, so you can see here it's having zero revenue because I didn't run any sales. And what I did was just to sell, or just to sorry, was just to send out email campaigns, newsletters, and sign-ups to my WhatsApp group chat, and perhaps for people to watch my YouTube videos. So what I do here is that okay, what you can do with email marketing is that you can literally you can sell with email, you can increase your followers across any channel with email. So I have an email list. I wanted to follow you on social media. You can write a mail to them. And probably you just posted a content on your YouTube channel or your Facebook channel or any of your channels. You can write an email to them telling them how much they can benefit from the video, and with a call to action button, tell them to watch the video, to like, and also to subscribe after they've done watching the video, and also to share it. So that's what I actually do, and you can educate them, and you can maybe you're running a program or an event coming on, maybe a virtual event or even a physical event. You can send emails to your email list, telling them to register and all that and all that. So very simple. Once you want to start up your emails, there are things you need to understand. Okay, one thing is that there are three things you need to understand. Number one, you have the heading of your email. So I don't want to use I want to make this as simple as possible for anyone watching the video to understand. Probably you're starting out as an email marketing manager. You want to use for your business. So you have let me open one of the emails I've written recently, and to and to run you through it. Okay. All right, so we have this now. So this is the heading of the email saying know this before buying any course in 2026 video. So it's basically a video I did on my YouTube channel, and I want people to click here, all right, to watch the video. So what did I do? You have to there's what they call email copy. You have to be very good in writing email copy, and you know that one thing that you need to understand when writing the copy is that you have to make it very catchy. Right, the title, the heading must be very catchy so that it will grabs people attention to want to read your copy. And also your copy itself should be very, very enticing. All right, even if you want to write copies are actually short, content are actually long. So this is an email content. All right, it's long. So you have a short copy. All right, so you have email content writing and email copywriting. Email copywriting is when you want to make sales, you make it very short and catchy and enticing for someone to take action to buy. But for a content, all right, it's like a newsletter, all right, it's like a blog post, all right. So my title here is very catchy. Look at now, know this before buying any course. Of course, people always want to buy a course to improve themselves in their career and in whatever they know. So what did I do here? I wrote know this before buying any course in 2026 video. So now let's look at the email. And one thing you need to understand why as an email marketing manager is that personalized emails get people's attention more than a generalized email. For example, you want people to register for a program or you want people to buy one of your products. You can't just say, "Hey there," or "Hey my people, how are you doing today?" No, personalize it. "Hi Emmanuel, how are you doing today? I hope this meets you well." Like that's just an example of you trying to make something personalized for someone and to steal the person's attention into your email. So when someone see this thing, know this before buying any course. The person will be like, okay, what do you want me to know? Now let's look at the body. Hi, then the first name Emmanuel. I remember back in 2020 when I started my career, but I took that step because I already had a burning passion for that part. And I wasn't just buying a course, I was investing in the future I was willing to build. Look at now, that's a story. Someone to read. So this is basically storytelling strategy I'm using for this email content. So someone will be like, okay, what happened in 2020 and how does that relate to buying a course in 2026? All right. So once you're done, then you have this ending part and a call to action. This is 2026. Make every video count. I made a video for you here. So once you click this button, it takes you straight to my YouTube channel containing the content I made. Know this before buying a course in 2026. So you can go there. All right. So if you love to watch the video, you can go to my YouTube channel, Emmanuel Daniel, and also watch it. All right. So the things you need to know is your title must be very catchy and your body, either a copy or a content, must be very interesting. And you can pick any approach you want. I for this I made use of it of a storytelling. So let me duplicate this to run you through the other things you need to know when coming up with an email campaign. However, if you are running a sales for your business and you don't know how can I create a very nice template for my email marketing, there are free templates on MailChimp you can make do. What do you do? Just like Canva, you open those templates, replace the images there with your products, the text there to a very nice copy. You can hire someone, an email copywriter to help you write the copy, or you can take your time to sit down and write a nice copy that relates to your business and that can help you to sell. All right. So first of all, I have 150 recipients who are subscribed to my email list. And now the things you need to understand is that um, once I have them all selected, now I'm working with this now. I've written my email. Once I have them all selected, I'll move to the next stage to sending it out. So how do you do that? Sorry, I didn't run us through that. So this is my email written already. I'm going to edit. Oh, sorry. So this is my email all edited already. So once you are done editing it, what do you do? Once you're done editing it, all right. You can also put a lot of things in your videos. You can put images. You can put videos. All right. You can put images. You can put videos. You can put a survey. You can put your products and all those things. You can put an application. Sign up for people to do. You can also put a button. So and there are some things that you put into your email. The email will read those emails as promotional emails. They are much more technical, so I'm not going into that. So right, you can put all those things there, and you can also put a button in case you don't want to insert a link to a text like what I did here. What I did here was to insert a link into a text. It's quite technical, and I'm not actually going that in this video. What I want to show you here is just simple steps on um, starting your email campaign. So you've written your content and everything, then you save it. All right. So once you save and exit, then but if it doesn't bring you here automatically, what you will do is that it will bring you to this particular place. You click on this this button here, edit. And once you click on edit, it brings you to this place automatically. So here, what do? You select your all your subscribers and make sure that whenever you're uploading your email um email documents to MailChimp, make sure that you tick the box that they are subscribed so that you can have them here. All right. So once you click subscribe here on this same place where it says who are you sending your email to, you have the option to select a merge tag. What's a merge tag? A merge tag is a tag that tag an information on the person details. For example, this one said FN, it means first name. The next one said LN, L name, it means last name. FN, LN, it means first name and last name. For example, this one, once I use this on my name, it tags Emmanuel, this tags Daniel, this tags Emmanuel Daniel, and I can come up with a customized tag. But you need to understand that what actually makes it a tag that works in MailChimp is the asterisk and the line behind and in front of the um in front of the text. Okay, it makes it active. So what next? You come to from. Where are they getting the emails from? All right, so they're getting the email from Emmanuel Daniel, and they're getting it from this particular email address because that was also used to subscribe to MailChimp. And also, I think you can also change it, but it's very advisable that you use the email used to open MailChimp to also send the email across. All right. Next, you need to understand is subject. Now, what is subject? Once you receive an email and get notification, those texts that are written there on the email is called subject. All right. So once you get an email that says buy now and pay later, all right. So that's what's written there is called the subject. Then under that buy now pay later, you now see a little text written there. You can this system can help you to save your money for the next 5 years. All right. So once it's written buy now pay later, then under it you now see this system help you to save your money for the next 5 years. So the first one is called subject line. The second one is called pretext. Right, pretext. So I needed to make this pretext much more personalized so that when someone see this email, what would they see? They'll see know this before buying any course. Then under the pretext, they'll now see Emmanuel, there are 5 honest conversations you need to have with yourself. So once I see the notification on my phone, I'll see know this before buying any course. And I'll see Emmanuel, there are 5 honest conversations you need to have with yourself. So that particular subject and pretext caught my attention. So that's the same thing you need to know. You need to know how to use words to get people's attention. All right. So once you have this one set, then you can have a time you want to send it out. Maybe you want to schedule, or maybe you want to send it now. You can do that. And there's some other things you can do here. And most especially is for most of those features are for people who are upgraded. See now, we automatically add the required referral badge to your email footer. To remove badge, upgrade now. So that's basically this thing here. All right, so you can remove it or accept your upgrade. So once you have all these things set, your email is set to go. And once you are done, you can click on send to send it out. But I can't send it on because I've sent it before to my email list. So it's not going to be like a spam. So that's basically how to send out your first email campaign. All right. So you can click on finish later in case you have something to do there. So let's say okay, you want to send a product. Let's check out if I can access those what do you call it templates from MailChimp. But I'm actually making use of a free plan, but I hope I'll be able to access them for us to see few of them. So it's loading up. All right, so we see a lot of templates now. So if you're into e-commerce, you can make use of this type of templates. All right. So if you're making use of if you are in an e-commerce brand, you can make use of this to promote your new product. So it's very short and contains images where you can put them and also change the text, change the logo to what to your business one, whatever you want, and send it out. And this place can give you the opportunity to see it in a laptop view and also in a mobile phone view. So if I have a mobile phone, this is how I'm going to see it here on my phone. And if you send to my laptop, this is how I'm going to see it. So you can play around other templates that speaks your business and use it. So if you're into interior decor, you can make use of this type of template. All right. Can make use of this type of template, put in some pictures and more images about can you see it's the image is actually changing. So you can do that also for your business. So basically this is just a simple way for you to um start sending emails for um your business and for yourself. All right.
Yeah, and that's it. That's a simple way for you to set up your own email, to start up your own email marketing for your business, or if you are starting out as an email marketing expert. I'll be putting out more videos around email marketing. For this video, if you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. I'll respond to it. And if you have any video that you want me to do around email marketing to or anything you want to learn and to have knowledge on or expertise on, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll create that video for you. Before you go, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone out there that you know will need to see this. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.